Hey guys, so we drove for an hour approximately from our previous property Vivana, which was right next to Mandwa, and we have driven to this place called Churu, which also is famous for its frescoes. And I'm currently standing in a beautiful property called Malji Ka Kamra, and I'm going to give you a tour of the property. So guys, this property has 12 rooms in total, has a huge open area. It is in close proximity with the Churu railway station and also is walking distance from all the Heritage Havelis. The food and the service both are quite nice, and they also make available a guide who will take you around for no extra cost. So this restored Haveli from the 1920s is a brilliant stop in case you want to come and stay and explore the Shekhawati region and Churu in particular. Hey guys, so I'm standing in the balcony of our room here, which is such a huge balcony. And let me give you a quick room tour. That's our entry into the room from the balcony. That's the study table, the television, and there is some beautiful painting here. That's our mirror, and that is our bed number 1. Bed number 2, we'll have a bed fixed for the third person somewhere there. And oh wow, look at the ceiling, so pretty. And that's the toilet. You have a shower area and toilet. Yeah, and you have a cupboard. Where you can hang your stuff. And that's the lobby of the gallery. That's how we've been locking our room. Look at this door, it's so pretty. It's a beautiful property. You have a nice big lawn to bask in the sun, and the rooms are nice and big, and it's pretty comfortable. I really like it here. I would highly recommend for you to come and check this property out for yourself if you're in the area. Also, these guys arrange for you to experience the traditional art of bangle making and some wood carving. So they call these local guys to do this for you right in the property. And if you can see, a lot of Havelis are right in this area, so you don't have to go out of your way much to experience the entire sense of the Shekhawati region. So I think it's a very good stop for you if you're planning to do this area. So yeah, on that note, I'm going to get my lunch now, after which we have our activities lined up. We've ordered some Rajasthani speciality like papad ka sabji, gatte ki sabji, and some lesun ki chutney and bajre ki roti. Let me show you what we get for our lunch here. So ये बाजरे की रोटी है, ये लहसुन की चटनी है, और ये
मेथी की लूंजी, sweet and sour this time.
Sweet and sour.
अचार ही है.
हाँ, like an अचार. This is the gatta masala. और ये
बड़ी पापड़, दाल की बड़ी एंड पापड़.
दाल की बड़ी एंड पापड़. ठीक है, thank you. हेलो गाइस तुम लोग को कैसा लगा मंडावा आके एंड चूरू आके?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. हवेलीज एक्सप्लोर करी, समथिंग डिफरेंट. ऐसा कभी कोई ट्रैवल टूर प्लान मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया. हेरिटेज जिसमें इतना एक्सप्लोर किया हो क्लोजली.
So the guides were also pretty
they're trying to explain in detail.
Well informed.
In Mannawa as well as here in Churu. But the Churu Heritage Walk was not that great because the road is not that clean. You'll find cow dungs at every 10 steps.
That's true. If somebody asks you, would you tell them to come here and explore this area?
Yeah, I think it's a fading. The Havelis are in so much of ruins. I don't know how much longer will they survive. So I feel, people should come and at least see.
Yeah, and I think more the tourists will come, more the government could be pushed to pay attention.
The frescoes need restoration.
Definitely, yeah, true. Hey guys, so now we are here for dinner and we've requested him to make lal mas for us. So hoping that it's nice and tasty as expected. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and how it tastes. But our experience of 2 days in the Shekhawati region was quite interesting, like we were discussing right now. It's a very different experience because of the Havelis and the frescoes, and also luckily we got guides who were very well informed. However, I would like you guys to know and inform you guys that क्योंकि यहाँ पे mostly stays Haveli के हैं, so if there is somebody who has a problem and they would not like to climb stairs, then maybe staying in a Haveli is not a good option because it's not so modern and high tech that you'll have elevators here. You will have to climb stairs up and down for movement inside the Haveli, or you can actually ask the property that you're planning to stay in if they have an elevator or if they have rooms on the ground floor. That's our lal mas, yum yum yum. Or that's our salad, tawa roti, and ये वो है lonji, chutney, chawal. Yum. Really nice, not very spicy, but very nice. After this, we will leave for Jaisalmer. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do, because I think this entire series is going to be awesome and there's so many more videos coming your way.